Hey, welcome back to the cooking recipe. Some chicken meat, I go clean it up. So I'm going to show you how I prepare my chicken. So I'm starting by putting on my apron and I put on my ear net. You know me, I look for the ear net and things. So see ear net I put on my head. My head big enough, so I put on good, yeah. So put on ear net and thing now. The chicken there, put it in the bag. And I'm going to season it up. So I'm going to prepare my chicken, yeah. I'm going to water drain out. Nice 6-pound chicken, you can see it, well fat and chummy. Alright, so put him on the meat board, take up my knife now, start cut off the body, the waist off of it, because we don't want them part there. Now make the chicken taste nice, so we are clean it how we want it, right? So remember, Jamaican cooking lumberjack, please watch the video to the end, like and share. It's a recipe I go eat, but taste it. So I see the chicken, okay, go and soak and season for about a week. So I'm starting by remove all of the skin them and the fat them. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how me up my chicken. Well, I cut it from back. Some people cut it from the belly, me cut it from the back, right? Yeah. So I up my chicken in two there. So I'm going to dig out all the waste inside the chicken. So I'm busting that two and thing. You can see what I go on, yeah. Flipping from the belly and I bust him again. See there, get it at two separate half now. Cut him in a quarter size. Yeah, one leg quarter, one breast quarter. So you know, so I'm starting by remove the skin. I'm going to cut some in a stew. Yeah. I'm going to cut some in a also cook big size. Call it home style. Yeah, you can see what I go on right there. So I'm going to bust up them on them more smaller than a stew. So I'm going to remove the skin. I like the skin pan the stew, but yeah, somebody there cut them more smaller and chop it. I know the bone kind of tough now, but you know when I'm push ourselves because we're strong. I use the knife and thing, yeah. I have a big long knife, so you tear off the fat them and thing. And we cut it up more small and thing, yeah. My neighbor talked to me about one girl. You know, she say, oh, if I cook stew chicken, tell her, yeah, she can get some, but not ready yet. She got them from my case. So the idea I tear off his skin and thing, I don't know, so I strip him down, strip him like a container. When I strip him, I dig out them waist part there. That little fatty, bloody part on the back there, so, yeah. So we are clean it up and thing, and I tell her, say, that chicken meat I got nice recipe, I got eatable. So I cut him up more small and thing, and I cut him in a cube size. You know, stew chicken recipe. I'm going to take out that and I chip off the skin off of it. I tear the fat. Look and learn now, peeps. Yeah, take out the fat off of the chicken when you cook stew chicken. If you don't prepare your meat good, it have a raw and taste away. So we remove all the waste and things we don't want on the chicken, and we leave back where we want. Right? Remember, Jamaican cooking lumberjack. Watch the video to the end, like and share. Remember to leave a comment and subscribe also. So today I just meat there clean up and season up. So I'm going to show you when I clean up the meat there. I'm just going to show you when it season up, right? All of the ingredients them when I use to season up my chicken. Natural, simple chicken meat. Yeah. Some people say I be a chicken I eat for end there, but we have to eat what we have. And we now watch nothing. I say thing go. Yeah, so we have to give thanks same here and eat the chicken. Because chicken meat nice when you prepare the recipe good. Yeah, able do. We not cook none same time because I want the soak and season the right and proper way. Yeah. So another update again. Next half of chicken there. Bust this in some country style chicken. Right? So I go and remove waste and things because you have to clean up the chicken to be nice now. So I'm not going to really skin these. Right? Because I want them the skin to cushion the meat at the door mash up. Some people tear off them skin, but me not really. When I fry them like this big that way, I don't want to tear off the skin because I want the skin to cushion the meat. The door mash up. So I bust it in a 2/4, right? But it's a 1/2 quarter, that's some bust it at 2/4, yeah. So I bust the leg off of the hip. So you have the separate, the leg separate and the hip. You can see what I go on right there. Yeah. So you know so the meat well washed in a vinegar water and thing. Well washed, clean and pretty. So I go bust the breast in a 3 piece, right? Got a 1 piece off of the breast. Yeah. Got another piece, so I have a wing right there and a breast. So recipe is a big fowl, you know, so you're gonna have to cut them up to these 10 sizes. Yeah. Alright then. So I'm bust that in a 2 now. So I'm go and make it go and stay this one side and thing and get some seasoning together. So then wash and cut up the stew size. Add some cooking oil. I'm gonna show you how I season up my meat. Add some cooking oil to it. Yeah. Add little salt, taste and flavor. And I'm gonna add some Maggi season. Some all purpose and chicken mixed together. Also. So now I go massage my chicken now and thing. Massage it. Yeah, I go on myself and thing. I massage in the season, rub in the season night and thing. Yeah, I massage, I squeeze in the season. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack, please watch the video to the end. Like, subscribe and share. Well, and you can use an other seasoning, but I just normal simple Maggi all purpose or Maggi chicken I use on my meat, right? Yeah. So you can see the quality of the recipe, presentation. Add a little more season to it and thing. Right? So I have some chicken foot, boil some soup right there. So I'm going to bag up the chicken and put in the fridge because I'm not going to use them right now. So I'm showing step by step how I prepare my chicken meat recipe. So I'm putting in the bag and thing, zip back. Yeah, so I'm going to lock it and put it in the freezer. That one stay for a week. Right? So I have some country style normal one there, add some cooking oil, same as normal. And I add some salt, taste and flavor. You can see what I'm going to show step by step when I prepare my recipe. Well, I add little salt, normal sea salt, add some Maggi all purpose and chicken mixed together. Same taste and flavor. Normal simple chicken meat recipe. So remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. So I rub in the seasoning and thing. I massage the seasoning of chicken. You can see what I go on. So I see my father rub it in there and massage it and thing. Yeah. So you know say lumberjack they are go on themselves and thing. Please remember to like and share, subscribe, leave a comment also.